Hello friends, my name is Gursewak Singh and this is the part 2 of our project of face detection using C++ and this is the last part of this project, and in this project we are going to code the project in C++. Include the header files in this project #include IO stream #include std lib.h and include OpenCV libraries #include OpenCV2 objdetect.hpp and second header file #include OpenCV2 image proc image proc.cpp. Third header file is #include OpenCV2 and high GUI.hpp. Now creating namespace using namespace std using namespace cv for OpenCV int main return 0. Here we are going to create a class cascade classifier for face detection. Using this class face detection, we are loading a .xml file that we are using for face detection in this project. Open the OpenCV directory where your OpenCV is installed. My OpenCV is installed in downloads, OpenCV. Then click on sources and data and har cascades, and here the file is we are using, that is har cascade frontal face default. Right click on it, properties, and this is the path. Copy it, Control C and paste it here, and copy the name of the file itself, Control C, and this is the .xml file. Copy it here. Control V .xml, and if we are using here Windows, so put another backslash here. This is because of Windows, and in the Linux, if you are using Linux, then no need to put the another backslash here. That's it. Okay, and if this is not loaded properly, then what to do? Print a message cout file is not loaded properly and exit from the program. We are using stdlib.h for this. And now after loading, if the file loading is successful, then enter the path to image for face detection. And semicolon cn dot get line path comma 50 comma 100, and path is a character type variable of size 100, and after taking the input of image, create a matrix object img equals to im read for reading the image. Put the path here and cv load image unchanged. This is for loading image. If img dot empty, then print the message that image is not loaded properly, and if it is successful in loading, print the message cout image is found and cout processing start. And then what to do? Then what we are going to do here, the main purpose, main execution, main coding of this project is we are doing it here. Create a vector object of rectangle, rect name it faces. This is for detecting faces. Now using this our face detection classifier object of cascade classifier class, sorry, excuse me, face detection dot detect multiscale, and here pass the image that is img here, comma, and where to store the result in faces. This is detecting here. And after this statement, create a for loop int I equals to 0, I less than faces dot size, and keep on incrementing the loop I plus plus. Now create the object point 1 pt1 faces I dot x comma faces I dot y. This is the first point, and create second point faces I dot x plus faces I dot height comma faces I dot y plus faces I dot width. That's it. Now draw a rectangle, pass the image on which we are going to draw the rectangle, that is img, and point pt1 pt2, and scalar is for the color of the rectangle that we are going to draw on the face, that is like 250 255, that is uh, RGB in this OpenCV, and RGB BGR, that is that we are pronouncing RGB, and in the OpenCV it is BGR. So 255, that is red, and 2 is the thickness, 8 is the line type, and 0 is the shift. Shift is 0. Now rectangle is drawn. Save it. Now after detecting and drawing the rectangle on screen, we are going to write the file. We are going to write or save the file. Give it the path where we want to save it, like C, GS, and output dot jpg, name of the file, and type the name of the image img where we draw the rectangle, and cout, I'm sorry, I am right, and cout face detected. OK, save it and run the project. Now here is error that I think I put a get ch, and delete it, save it, and rerun it again. Build started, build succeeded, and here is the output screen. And we have local dex, open the local dex C, and here in the GS folder we have two images I1 and I2, that these are JPG images, and type the path to them, C GS I1 dot JPG, Enter. Image is found. Processing is started. Now it is detecting the faces and it takes some time. Face detected. Okay, and we get the output file. Double click on it and image is loading, and see the face is detected properly. And thank you so much. Follow the video to do. Thank you so much.